The 5th ranked product is Amazon Eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi System. Supports speeds up to 500 megabits per second. Connect to Alexa. Coverage up to 4,500 square ft. 3-pack. 1 router plus 2 extenders. Review score 4.5. Review count 11,130 ratings. Price $149.99. Customers like. Customers find the product easy to set up and use. It works well with no dead spots in their homes. And the app is simple. They are satisfied with coverage and app quality. Customers dislike. However, some customers have experienced connectivity issues like devices not being able to connect to the network or having limited hardwire network connectivity. There are mixed opinions on signal strength, speed, and value for money. The 4th-ranked product is TP-Link Deco X 3000 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. Deco X55 covers up to 6,500 SQFT. Replaces wireless router and extender. 3 gigabit ports per unit. Supports Ethernet backhaul. 3-pack. Review score 4.5. Review count 12,909 ratings. Price $169.99. Customers like. Customers find the router easy to set up and use. It works well for them with no issues, providing high-speed Wi-Fi and streaming without connection issues. They are satisfied with coverage and value for money. Customers dislike. However, some customers have mixed opinions on connectivity, app user-friendliness, and reliability. The 3rd-ranked product is TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. Deco X20 covers up to 5800 SQFT. Replaces wireless routers and extenders. 3-pack. 6 Ethernet ports in total. Supports wired Ethernet backhaul. Review score 4.5. Review count 13,971 ratings. Price $139.99. Customers like. Customers find the router easy to set up and use via the app. They say it works well and has fast Wi-Fi connection speeds. Customers are satisfied with coverage and reliability. Customers dislike. However, some customers have differing views on signal strength, value for money, and app quality. The 2nd-ranked product is TP-Link Dual Band AX 1500 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Wi-Fi System. Deco X15 replaces routers and extenders, covers up to 5,600 square feet. 2 gigabit ports per unit. Supports Ethernet backhaul 2024 release. 3-pack. Review score 4.5. Review count 27,700 ratings. Price $149.99. Customers like. Customers find the router easy to set up and understand. It works well with their internet service, providing great speed and no packet loss or latency. They consider it a good value for the money. Customers are satisfied with the coverage and reliability of the router. Customers dislike. However, some have differing opinions on signal strength and app quality. The 1st-ranked product is TP-Link Deco X60 Wi-Fi 6AX 3000 Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System. 3-pack. Review score 4.6. Review count 1,232 ratings. Price $169.99. Customers like. Customers find the router easy to set up and use. They appreciate its good speed and performance, with seamless meshing and great signal strength even through thick walls. The app is praised for its user-friendly design and parental controls. Customers dislike. No info.